Hello everyone. In this lecture I am going to tell you something about the thermodynamics. So first of all you must know what is the definition of thermodynamics. So thermodynamics is a subject that are related to energy and energy transfer. Energy and energy transfer. There are many types of energy. You can say that work is energy and heat is also energy. So don't be confused. Okay. Thermodynamics is a subject that is related to energy and energy transfer. So you should in your mind it should be clicked that what is energy. These are the part of energy, or you can say that these are the kind of energy. Then what actually energy is? What actual energy is? What is the definition of energy? Okay. Then energy is something that has ability to cause changes. Ability to cause changes. Just take an example of any living beings. Example, living being. If any animal has energy, it can move from one position to another position. These are the changes. So what energy is? Energy is ability to cause change. Okay. So next step is you should know what is system. What is system? But first of all, I have to remove all these things. Now, what system is? System. As per the definition of system, it is a fixed mass. Fixed mass or enclosed space. Enclosed space. Two things are there. Either system may be a fixed mass or enclosed space where our study is focused. Actually, there may be many types of mass, but where you have to see where our study is focused, that will be system. System may be a fixed mass or enclosed space where our study is focused. Why I am saying that? Because there are two types of system. The first one is the closed system. Closed. And the second one is open. Closed means mass will not be flow. Mass will not be changed. Will not be changed. That is, you can see that fixed mass. If this is suppose 1 kg, then it will be 1 kg. It will not change. But in open system, there will be continuous flow of mass. So mass may be changed or may not be changed. This is the here in open, mass flow will be there. Mass flow will be here. Suppose there is a pipe. There is a pipe and there is a continuous flow of mass. So how can you say that there is only 1 kg of mass of water? Water is flowing. 1 kg of. So in this case, this is open. We cannot define how much mass is entering or how much mass is going outside. So we just create a hypothetical enclosure and our study will be focused here. So this will be our system. Okay. Now I want to give you one. Okay, let me first erase these things. I have told you that there are two types of systems are. The first one is the closed and second one is open. In the closed system, mass will not be changed. but energy will be changed. But in open system, mass changes along with energy will also change. That is, energy, there will be a flow of energy. Either it may be closed or open. We can take an example of pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. If there is, if lid is there, it is closed. So you can say that it can be cold or hot. So there is continuous flow of energy. If a cooker is closed, it will be closed system. And if cooker is open, it is open system, because we can change the mass and energy also. After system, there comes surrounding. What is surrounding? If this is our system, then everything external to this system is called surrounding. Everything external to this system is called surrounding. Everything is there is called surrounding. That is, everything external to the system. External to the system is called surrounding. Then what is universe? Universe. Then there is nothing beyond universe. You can say that you know that there is nothing beyond universe. So everything is inside the universe. So system plus surrounding is called universe. System plus surrounding is called universe. So this is the system. We can show this in the form of set. So you can say that this is system, and everything external to the system is called surrounding, and surrounding plus system is called universe. Okay, I think you have understood what system is, surrounding and universe. There is nothing beyond universe. And the surrounding that is affected by the system is called immediate surrounding. Surrounding that is affected by the system is called immediate surrounding. In thermal, it is very important to know that what are the properties. So there are two types of properties. The first one is called, first of all, you must know what are the properties. Properties are something because of which we can say that what is the state of any system. So how many types of properties are there? There are two types of properties. The first one is intensive and the second one is extensive. Intensive means independent of mass. Independent of mass. If mass change, there is no change in property, then it is called intensive property. Extensive means dependent upon mass. If mass changes, the property will also change. Dependent on mass. Then what are the independent properties? The first one is velocity, pressure, temperature, density, kinematic viscosity. There are two types of viscosities. The first one is the dynamic viscosity and the second one is the kinematic viscosity. Dynamic viscosity is a extensive property. Then what are the how many types of extensive properties are there? You can take the example of all the energies. Energy, because energy depends upon the volume, and volume is a extensive property. Suppose this is the system. If you divide into two parts and see the property, and this is the first, that is divided into two parts. If there is temperature T, pressure V and volume V, after dividing it into two parts, this volume is V by 2, this is V by 2, but the pressure will be P, and here pressure will be P, temperature will be T, and temperature will be T. So you are seeing that volume is changing. Volume is changing, that is dependent on mass, then it is called extensive property, and this will be a extensive property. Okay.